Journey of life. It is not a must that you travel it with everybody. You need to diagnose yourself. And when you diagnose yourself, evaluate yourself, and know the type of person you are, that is when you know the type of person that you can go along with. You can't move with everybody, but that is what a lot of us do. We want to please everybody, we want to go along with everybody, and at the end of the day, we lose everybody. There are certain people in your life which I am going to talk about in this video. Take your pen and paper and let us do a little assignment and also an assessment of our life. In that paper, I want you to write the 7 closest persons to you. I believe you know them. If you don't know them, begin to write those that you know. As time goes on, you will be able to complete just 7 closest people to you. Write down their names from number 1 to number 7. If you have written down their names, look at those names very well. The question that I want to ask you now is, do you want to be like them? This is because these 7 people are the true reflection of you that is watching this video now. They are the true reflection of you. If they are not the true reflection of you now, they are going to be the true reflection of you as time goes on. In fact, they are the ones that are going to determine what you are going to be in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, and some of them may be your friends. You may not really explain, how do I become friends with this person? It could be because you people grew up together in the same neighborhood. It could be because you people met in a church or other gatherings, club, and the rest of them. Like play, as we used to say, you people became friends. That is a friendship by coincidence. We still have other people that we met, we connect, and from that connection, we became close friends. But it is very important for you to know if you people are going the same way. Destination matters. It's very, very important you know whether you people are heading towards the same destination. If you are very honest with what I'm telling you, if I am really saying the truth, this is where your turning point starts. If you don't want to be like these 7 people, the next assignment I want to give you is to begin to cancel those names one after the other and leave those that you want to be like. The next thing, which is the 3rd thing I want you to do, is after you have cancelled those names, begin to replace those names that you cancelled with another person that is better than them. In most of this type of assignment, some people do call me to tell me that they did not see anyone. If that is your case, begin to replace them with books. Begin to replace them with audios or videos of the people that say something that you love to be or to be like in your life. Books are not mere papers as people think. Books are the author's mind in a printed form. As a matter of fact, books, like tapes, are people. A reading book is the author's mind in print. So never undermine the importance of someone's book in your life. Don't carry the mindset that I'm reading just a book. Read a book like someone that is having a close contact or conversation with the author. Read it as if somebody is standing before you, talking to you, and you are taking note of what he or she is saying to you. Take them as if they are the friends that you replaced speaking with you. Just the difference is because you may not have the opportunity to have facial contact with the author, but the author is actually talking to you. Having done this, if you don't have those books with you, go ahead and buy them. If it's a book that you want to buy, if it's the person's audio tape or the person's video tape, whichever of his materials that blesses you, pick them and start having one-on-one discussion with the person. With time, I'm telling you, you begin to reflect, you begin to think, you begin to reason like what that person told you in those materials. Once again, go over that your paper, check those names that you've listed, the 7 people that you want to be like, or the 7 people that you don't want to be like. Go over them. There are things that, these are decisions that you don't make in a haste. Take your time and go through them. Cancel those that you want to cancel, leave those that you want to leave, and replace that you want to replace with authors or speakers that have good track records. I have said it at the beginning of this video that this journey of life is not a must that you travel with everybody. It's not a must. So the end of the year will justify how well, and you know, a lot will regret because they followed those who knew their destination and they hid many things from them, and at the end of the year they begin to count their losses while their friends are counting their gains. There are people that you just have to deliberately do away with for your own good. Have you not read in the book of Genesis where Abraham have to deliberately drop Lot, a very close relation with him? He did it for his own good. And as soon as he dropped Lot, the preceding chapter quickly told us the result. It's going to be very late for you to discover that there are people that you are carrying and they are very, very big load that are the reason why you are not going forward in life. And in this journey of life, you don't need to carry heavy loads. You need to run light because it's very, very long. It's a very long journey. You don't need to gather a lot of people that most of them are confused. They don't know where they are going to. If you have discovered your destination, run for your life, just like Abraham did. With their heavy loads, they will weigh you down as the journey intensifies. The problem is that most people don't really know that this is what played out at the end of the year. They don't know. They are only blaming people. But they don't know that these are some drastic decisions that they're supposed to have taken earlier in life. And they are only counting at the negative effects. By the way, you that is listening and watching this video, take action now. 7 people that are in your life that are not going the same lane with you. You need to drop them, you need to replace them with people, because in this journey of life, you must not go with everybody. I want to see your reaction at the comment section. We have a Facebook page, Mentor Chris Academy. We are also on YouTube, Mentor Chris Academy TV, where I teach people what teachers do not teach at school. We also teach people on health without drugs. We also lay emphasis on choosing career guides that will help you live your dreams. We take care of those who are talented in music, in comedy, in recitation, and we help them add values to their lives. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mentor Chris Academy TV, and I promise to bring this type of video teachings your way, if possible, every day. Thank you and God bless you. I want to see your comment, and I also